Don't allow stress to make you say something wrong or do something bad that you'll regret later. When you feel angry, anxious, or stressed, do this to instantly calm down. Some breathing. Inhale plus hold equals exhale. So if you can inhale for 4 counts and hold your breath at the top for 2 counts, then you will exhale for 6 counts with your mouth pouted to have more control over the release of air. That's it, simple. Wanna see if it's really that effective? Come on, let's do it once together. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. So when things get tough, pause and do this for just 3 to 7 reps. That's enough. The right solution will flash in your mind and you'll handle the situation with clarity and confidence. Also, if you find it difficult to focus on the breath, tap your feet in sync with the count and switch your attention between your breath and the feet. Take your mind away from what's bothering you and keep it engaged in the present moment, because the most powerful antidote to stress is right under your nose. So please click that like button if you found this video to be useful and click subscribe to become healthier